Welcome back to Budget Brilliance. Today we're tackling a big question. How can you save money without sacrificing the things you enjoy? Let's make saving simple and guilt-free. You don't have to give up everything you love to save money. It's all about being intentional with your spending. First, try DIY alternatives. Love dining out? Cook restaurant-style meals at home? Enjoy weekend activities? Explore free or low-cost local events instead. Next, plan ahead. Whether it's meal prepping or setting a spending limit for hobbies, planning helps you enjoy what you love without overspending. Cut out what you don't use, cancel subscriptions you barely touch, and put that money toward things that truly matter to you. Socializing doesn't have to break the bank. Host a movie night instead of hitting the theater, or go for a hike instead of expensive outings. It's fun and free. Budgeting doesn't mean deprivation. Set aside money each month for the things you love. This way you enjoy guilt-free spending while staying on track. Saving doesn't mean sacrificing, it means choosing what truly matters. By making intentional choices, you can enjoy your life and still save for your future. What's one thing you won't give up? Tell us in the comments.